Hey there guys, welcome to KSED single box break number 656 of National Treasures. Last minute in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on October 19th at 6:50 Mountain Standard Time. Sorry, I'm just going to let the camera focus here. It's the 19th on 6:50 and the current date and time. Click. Reload. It's currently Monday, October 20th at 12:08 a.m. Eastern Time. And we are broadcasting live on Breakers here as per normal. 6:56. And this is box 1 of 4 from our case, so we don't have a serial number because we're going to pull the first box out of a sealed case. So I'll turn you guys around here. Quickly show you guys the. We'll go over the case first. Sealed. Then we're gonna roll a dice. So a 6-sided dice. So pretty much we roll box 1 is top, second, third, and fourth. Then 5 and 6 we will re-roll. So first number is for tonight, second one is for tomorrow as per normal. So good luck everyone. And I don't even know what's gonna roll at. Okay, it's 6. So re-roll again. So we got box 3 for tonight. So box 3, which is the third one down. And we have box 2 for tomorrow night. So box 3 for tonight and box 2 for tomorrow. And the rest of the box, which will be listed throughout this week. And then we'll probably switch gears to cup. And Ronnie does have a piece break of cup listed, and I'll probably be doing the second one right away here too. So I don't know when I'll be able to do mine until our next big allocation shipment in. So here we go. So 5110 is for tonight. And on to box number 2, which is for tomorrow. Camera. This one I need to focus for break for tomorrow. So 6000. So that one is for tomorrow night. And then just rest of the box from the case, which will be listed throughout this week. Five 5540. And 6777. Those are our last couple boxes. So on to the box for tonight. 5110. Good luck everyone. Hopefully this case is going to be better than our last 2 we've actually had for eBay breaks, because our last 2 breaks have been somewhat below par for NT standards. Yes, this looks like a nice masterpiece collection set. Yes, it is. That's a good one. So good luck, everyone. So this is a masterpiece collection set of Steven Stamkos from Playbook for the Tampa Bay Lightning. So congrats to Tampa. So Stamkos. So that's the black version. This is the cyan. This looks like the or magenta. And the yellow version. All for Tampa Bay. Good start there for Tampa. And first hit is Patrick Kane at a 25, the silver base for the Blackhawks. And we have a nice auto rookie patch for the Detroit Red Wings of Danny DeKeyser. Very nice patch on it. 52 of 99. Danny DeKeyser. And we have a redemption for a dual rookie jumbo patch autograph booklet for the Florida Panthers, Alexander Barkov, Jonathan Huberdeau. For the Florida Panthers, so whatever is Florida, I can even message the code if you like. And our next one, nice hit. Super short print too. We have a colossal 3-color patch of Matt Duchene, 5 of 5. Come on, focus. 5 of 5. 3 colors. The Avalanche. We have a timeline jersey, John Merrill, out of 99 for the Devils. We have a 3-color colossal numbered prime version, Riley Smith for the Bruins. And a numbered variation acetate patch of Super Mario, 59 of 66. Penguins. Oh, this box is already better than almost an entire case from our last one. So we have a treasured auto horizontal, Bobby Clark, 23 of 25 for the Flyers. And a dual auto, number 100 of 100, Charlie Simmer and Marcel Dion for the LA Kings. And finish the break off with a dual mem jersey auto, Michael Grenlin for the Wild. So there we have it, guys. So solid box to start this case off. And congrats to Tampa Bay, Florida, and the Avalanche. Some nice hits there. So we got box 2 tomorrow. SB Game News and UD Ultimate.